How to buy Azura by ai16z. This token came under the Azura AI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account, as you can see, and keep following their updates about this token to after that. Go and engage with their followers. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. As you can see, this token increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. It's your that's your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your Faucet wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now hit type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Azura by ai16z token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.